Good evening, everybody. Sorry for the delay. It's 7:33 p.m. And we're running a battle for Conn's, Barada, and Boba Fett. Winner take all. There they are. Nice looking figures. I got 22 spots here. Then I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our winners. Paste in here. Now we got 22. That's good for business. Going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5. We got a 5, so we are in action. Good luck, everybody. I'm going to get right to it. Troy in the top spot for our first round with number 6. Hans takes round 2. Troy again on top in round 3, this time with number 15. Alex Miner takes our next to last round, round 4 with number 16. Bringing us to the final round. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. And our winner is Chad Nauer. Chad Nelson Nauer. Congratulations. In at number 9. Congratulations, Chad. We'll make an official verification code. DSCFKQ. Chad in at number 9's Z Victor. I am done as a result at 7:34. As seen here. One last time, here's our results. Congrats to the winner. Again, sorry for the delay. See you next time, guys.